Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make potato balls or kachori in Kiswahili. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need about 4 potatoes. We're going to boil them until they're well cooked. Then we're going to mash them using a masher as shown in this video. Make sure you mash them well. After giving it a good mix, you're going to add some salt to taste. After that, you're going to add some paprika powder. I've added a half teaspoon of paprika powder. Then you're going to add some grated carrot and coriander leaves. The grated carrot is about half grated carrot and 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. You can also add some chili powder or some fresh chilies and lemon juice if you have. You'll then give it a mash so that all the ingredients can be well combined. You can also decide to use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. So you're going to do as shown in this video so that the carrot, all the ingredients will be well combined with the potatoes. After well combination, you're going to use your hands so that you can make small balls as shown in this video. So you're going to make round balls, then you're going to set them aside and repeat the process until all the balls are done. So I've finished to make all the potato balls. So you're going to make some flour paste. So you'll need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to sieve it as shown in this video. You'll then add some salt to taste. Then you're going to add a pinch of food color, yellow food color, but you can also choose to add turmeric powder instead of the food color. Then you're going to add some water, about a 3/4 cup of water. You're going to give it a mix until you get a nice paste. You'll then transfer the potato balls into the paste as shown in this video. Then you're going to cover them well. After that, it will be ready to be fried. So on a heated oil, you're going to fry your potato balls. Make sure your oil is too hot so that the potatoes won't get splitted while cooking them. You'll cook the potato balls for about 2 minutes or until they're crispy on the outside. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you're going to let them cook until they're crispy. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. Then you're going to repeat the process of frying your potato balls. Let me take this chance to thank you all for the support you have shown me on my videos. I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much and be blessed for that. Guys, and just like that, you'll have your potato balls ready. So you're going to set them aside so that they can cool. After that, you're going to serve them. As you can see from the video, our potato balls or kachori turned out so well. They look so delicious. I served mine with some tamarind sauce. I have the recipe of tamarind sauce in my videos. Kindly check it out. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their potato balls at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.